Hello friends, this is the third part of the video related to the remaining types of formal letter. Letter of order, letter of application and letter of inquiry. Next type is order. These types of letters are written by people as well as the companies to order supplies, goods, or products from the suppliers. For example, you are the secretary of the sports club. Your club has to purchase these sports items. So, write a letter to the supplier to place order the desired sports items. A sample of order letter. Write the sender's name, sender's address and date in the appropriate format. The left top corner of the letter. Then write the manager, sales department. Then write the name of the company or agency providing you order. Subject about placing the order of sports items. Then write the reference. In reference, write the catalog number and the type. Then write appropriate greeting or salutation. Dear sir, I would like to place the order. The items of the following types referred in the table given below. The reference numbers of the catalog are given with the description, price and total amount. Now let us see the second part of this letter. I would like to pay the amount by COD method. COD means cash on delivery. Please send the delivery on the provided address referred in this letter before 10th April 2021 during school time, that is from 7 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. only on working days. If it is not possible to send it before the desired date, please notify us immediately. You may contact on the landline number ... and mobile number ... during 7 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Thanks. Then sender's signature, secretary ... sports club. Type number 5, that is called application. Letter of application. These types of letters are written for various purposes. For example, application for a job, application for a leave, application letter to bank manager, application for transfer, application for permission, school application, etc. Pay attention to the important points to be focused while writing application. Be specific and formal. Use respectful tone. It should be short and to the point. Explain the exact or specific reason of the application. Give a short description of your personal, academic and professional qualifications. Also, give the details of your contact. Application to principal for 2 days leave. Your mother is suffering from cold and fever. There is nobody at home except you to take care of her. You need to stay at home for 2 days for the above reason. Write a letter of application to the principal, requesting him to grant you 2 days leave. According to the rules of block format, write the sender's name, class and date in the left top corner of the letter. Then write 2, then leave one blank line space, then the principal, name of the school, date. Thereafter write the subject, leave of absence. Again leave one blank line space, then write the appropriate salutation or greeting. For example, respected sir or respected ma'am. Respectfully, I would like to inform you that I am not able to attend my regular classes for next 2 days because my mother is suffering from cold and fever. My father is out of station. As there is nobody except me in home to take care of my mother, I will have to stay at home. I will try my best efforts to learn missing lessons and assure you to complete the assignments for the above referred reason. Kindly allow me 2 days leave. I shall be obliged to you sincerely. Sender's signature. Application to the manager for the approval of house loan. You want to purchase the flat. For purchasing, you need to borrow loan from bank. Write a letter of application to the manager, loan department, bank, requesting him to approve you house loan. Give details of the enclosures. According to block format rules, write the applicant's name, applicant's address and date in the left top corner of the letter. After that, leave one blank line space, then write 2. Again leave one blank line space, then the manager, loan division, then write the name of the bank, address of the bank, pin code, etc. After that, leave one line blank space, then salutation, dear sir. Again after that, leave one blank line space, then write the subject, request for the approval of home loan for individual government employee. Reference: your brochure dated 9th January 2021. Now part 2. Myself ... The office in charge in ... office has read the brochure of home loan. I wish to purchase a 3 BHK flat costing rupees 56 lakhs from ... real estate company. For this purchasing, I wish to borrow a loan of rupees 40 lakhs from your bank. I am enclosing herewith my bank statement of account number ... in your branch for the past 5 years, payment slip, post dated blank checks and other necessary documents. Here is the humble request to process my above loan. Thanking you. Yours faithfully. Applicant's signature. Enclosures. It means the list of the documents you are going to attach with this application. Enquiry letter. Enquiry letters are written either to request information or to give or provide information. Let's talk about the points related to enquiry letters. Give brief explanation about the purpose of requesting information. Mention your role, status, title, position, or designation. If you are a teacher, student, employee, customer, office in charge, manager, etc. Be specific. Give exact, clear details of the information, including the reference of day, date, location, numbers, etc. Do give at least some time to the recipient to provide your desired information. Mention the date or the duration of time within which you want information from recipient. Do give your contact details, including address, location, phone numbers, email IDs, etc.